How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store application on your device. Tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp application just to make sure you have an updated version. So as you can see, there's an update available. So what you can simply do is tap on update and start updating the WhatsApp application to its latest version. Now after getting it updated to its latest version, what you can simply do is launch the settings application and then scroll down and tap on apps. Then tap on manage apps, and what you simply need to do is select on the search bar and search for WhatsApp, and the app will pop up at the bottom. So you just have to wait for a little while to get the app on the list. So let's search for the application. It might take a few seconds depending on the connections. So let's wait for a while over here. And while the app is loading over here, so you can just tap on it. And here you can see the option of clear data. So simply select on that. Then clear the cache and tap on OK. Now even after this your verification code is not being received, then make sure that you have entered or you have put on the correct login credentials or the email ID to receive the verification code. And after that you can just make a long press on power button and tap on reboot and restart the device, and that's how you can fix the issue. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.